Income is a cornerstone of financial stability. Whether you're aiming to pay off debt, save for a down payment, or simply improve your overall quality of life, increasing your income can significantly accelerate your financial goals. Here are some effective strategies to consider. 1. Skill development and education. Upskill. Invest in your professional development through courses, workshops, or certifications. New skills can make you more valuable to your employer and increase your earning potential. Advance your degree. Consider pursuing a higher degree or specialized certification. This can open doors to higher-paying roles and career advancements. 2. Career advancement. Networking. Build strong relationships within your industry. Attend conferences, industry events, and join professional organizations. Seek promotions. Actively seek opportunities for advancement within your current company. Demonstrate your value. Take on additional responsibilities, and communicate your career aspirations. Consider a career change. If your current career isn't fulfilling or doesn't offer growth potential, explore new industries or roles that align with your interests and skills. Side hustles and entrepreneurship. Leverage your skills. Monetize your hobbies, talents, or expertise through a side hustle. This could involve freelancing, starting an online business, or offering consulting services. Explore passive income. Consider investing in rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products that generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Invest in yourself. Health and wellness. Prioritize your physical and mental health. A healthy lifestyle can improve your productivity, focus, and overall well-being, leading to better career performance and earning potential. Financial literacy. Educate yourself about personal finance concepts like budgeting, investing, and debt management. This knowledge can help you make informed financial decisions and maximize your income. Negotiate for higher pay. Research market rates. Understand the average salary for your position and industry. This information can give you leverage when negotiating for a raise. Highlight your achievements. Prepare a list of your accomplishments and contributions to the company. This will help you demonstrate your value and justify a higher salary. Be assertive but professional. Approach your negotiation with confidence and respect. Be prepared to discuss your expectations and be open to compromise. Increasing your income requires a proactive and strategic approach. By investing in your skills, advancing your career, exploring side hustles, and making wise financial decisions, you can significantly boost your earning potential and achieve your financial goals. Remember, consistent effort and perseverance are key to long-term success.